Hello YouTube, Bush Crab Woodsdale here. Just out here at the park, kind of hanging out. It's been a while. I don't know when I was out here last. Seems like the last several months just had so much rain and bad weather. Um, just not sure when I was out here last, but wanted to show you something for Fun Knife Friday. I picked up. Got a neck sheath here that I made, little neck pouch. My family gave me some gift cards for Christmas this past year, and I decided to pick up the Victorinox Huntsman. It's the blue sapphire one. I have a red Spartan, but I really was kind of taken with this blue sapphire, and it's a little thicker. It's a 4-layer, whereas I think my Spartan's just a 2-layer. Has a typical Swiss Army spear point blade, and of course has a nice, let me see, saw. Okay, so if I want to cut a piece of limb to carve, got a really nice saw here. I'd say it's a good 3-inch saw, very sharp, double cut. And one thing that's just really super cool is under the corkscrew here. You probably can't see this, but right here is a tiny pin. Just tucks into a hole that's between the frame and the liner, or the scale, and it just tucks in there, and so now you have a little pin if you need to pick a splinter that's under your skin, and it just tucks in there so neatly. Bottom here, it's got the typical sewing awl, and then it's got this hook, and I've seen people use these hooks to carry like packages, or I've seen people bundle up firewood with some paracord and then carry this like a T-handle to carry the bundle back to camp. It's got the usual typical screwdriver blade, can opener blade, and then it has a very nice pair of scissors. So this is a kind of a step up for me. It's a little bigger. It's a little too big in the pocket for comfort for me, but that's why I make my own neck sheath, neck pouch, and just tucks in there, and then I can wear it on my neck if I need it. I can just pull it out, and there it is. So anyway, I thought I'd share that for Fun Knife Friday. Hope you all have fun this summer. We're just a couple days past Memorial Day, and summer is rapidly approaching, so get out there and have some fun. Okay, good talking to you, and we'll chat with you later.